Hey, 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 everybody! Welcome and thank you for tuning in. We are on Heat 3, that's right, Heat 3. Heat 2, I never made it to the track. I was trying to straighten the chassis because of that Heat 1 incident where I got taken out and the chassis got bent. So we're on Heat 3. This is the Black Plate Closed New South Wales State Title Championship. We're still down at Butterfly Farm at Indy 800. I just want to say a huge thank you to his number 27 Blake, to him and his pit crew / family. Without them, I wouldn't have made it to Heat 3. They helped me hold down my car while I jumped on the kingpin to straighten it. And also a huge thank you to Philip, number 7. Without him also helping me straighten the cart, but without him telling me to straighten it and get back on the track, I would have not finished this event. I would have gone home with a bent chassis, gutted. So huge thank you to them, absolute legends. So we're coming up to the start here, still in dead last. I tried to do a little sneaky maneuver, couldn't quite get it completed, so I had to go back to the outside. Just no grip there, so couldn't really get any passes done. I'll do a little bit of commentary on this race, but I'll try not to waste all of it. I'll let you listen to the engine on the second half of the race. I just do want to say that even though we did straighten the chassis as much as we could, I didn't want to over straighten it, so it still was slightly bent, and I could definitely tell at the start of this race that it was still bent because it was undrivable on this heat. I just couldn't. This corner here wouldn't turn at all, just would go straight. It was turning at 180 degrees. This turner here, did I say turner for both those? This corner, I said turner. That corner there, it would just bind up. This corner here would bind up. This one wasn't too bad. It was all left-handers pretty much. It would just bind up and just jack and hop. I just couldn't control it. These two corners were okay, and this corner was kind of okay as well. The second half of the race, I kind of understood how the kart was handling and was able to control it a bit better, but regardless, it was just undrivable. I just couldn't get the exit speed or exit acceleration because I was trying to manhandle the kart so much that it wouldn't come off the corner without, even with me trying to fully focus and control it, just no chance whatsoever. So even though I'd catch up to this driver here, I couldn't get the pass done because I couldn't get that exit corner speed and acceleration to really do anything. So at the moment here, I'm just kind of a sitting duck, hoping that no one would catch up to me and pass me. And also I couldn't catch up and pass the driver in front of me, so I was in like no man's land and a sitting duck pretty much. But I'll leave it at that. Just wanted to let you know that I had massive help and massive thanks to those people to let you know that the chassis was still slightly bent and it was undrivable in this heat. I did do a laser alignment at the end of this heat, and the front wheels were completely off, so I centered them and it was much better for pre-finals and finals. But yeah, watch the rest of the race. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and thank you.